Political ideologies explained. Political ideologies. What is it exactly? Well, to put it simply, it is the color of your brain. You are certainly not born to be a liberal or conservative. Your brain is tinted with these colored labels as you grow up and experience what we call the socialization process. So let's analyze your brain color today, but of course, not the color of your hair. Opinions, attitudes, beliefs, and values are interconnected concepts, and they are key components of your political ideology. Opinions are personal judgments not necessarily based on facts. Attitudes are feelings based on personal beliefs. Beliefs are assumptions we make about the world. Values are normative ideas of right or wrong that are deeply held in our brain. A political ideology is a set of consistent beliefs based on individuals' core values or norms such as liberty, equality, diversity, fairness, honesty, loyalty, etc. Traditionally, we divided people by liberal and conservative ideologies. There are many types of political ideologies. Today, there are roughly 20% Americans identify themselves as liberal, while over 30% identify themselves as conservative. The remaining 35% or more consider themselves moderate or independent. Clearly, the liberal-conservative dichotomy is not sufficient to include all ideological affiliations of all Americans. There are 4 common political ideologies found in the United States. They are American liberalism, conservatism, libertarianism, and communitarianism. To illustrate their differences, we use 2 variables to measure their attitudinal differences towards the roles of government. The 2 variables are 1. The roles of government in providing economic regulation and providing income security. There are 2 labels: favor and oppose. Some people support more government business regulation, a higher tax on the rich, and more welfare programs for the poor. People who are against more government involvement in this area will want to reduce business regulation, lower taxes, more freedom to do business, and fewer welfare programs. 2. The roles of government in regulating morality and upholding traditional values. Some people support more government involvement in strengthening American family values and the traditional way of life. They are against abortion and gay marriage, support the death penalty, and strict law on crimes. People who oppose the government's active role in this area support more individual freedom in their lifestyles, support women's right to have an abortion, gay rights, legalizing marijuana, and abolishing the death penalty. Based on these criteria, you can see what each ideology stands for. Next, we will provide a profile for each ideology. Communitarianism are liberal on economic issues and conservative on social issues. They want a government to promote community interests and family values over individual rights. They want to reduce economic inequality and control business, but they also want the government to regulate personal conduct, tough law enforcement, and allow school prayers. The conservatives are inconsistent in their attitudes towards the roles of government. They want less government in economic lives, and to cut back on welfare programs, keep tax low, and more freedom to do business. They want more government involvement in upholding family values, and to ban gay marriage and limit women's abortion right. American liberalism is different from the classical liberalism. It tolerates more government involvement in reducing economic inequality, more business regulations, higher taxes on the rich. However, it does not tolerate more government in limiting personal freedom, such as women's right to abortion and gay rights. Libertarians are for less government on both economic and social issues. They seek to maximize individual liberty and minimize government intrusion on personal freedom. They advocate free market, low taxes, personal freedom on social and political issues such as speech, drug use, abortion, etc. I hope this table makes more sense to you now. You are now expert on American political ideologies. Thanks for watching. To learn more about core ideas and concepts about political science, please subscribe to this channel.